back with another unboxing, and this is Madison. So I'm really excited about this one today. So we tried a new seller from Instagram. So it came DHL. Came probably within a week and a half, I believe. So I already opened the plastic part. Okay, so it came wrapped up in another bag. Alright, so now we have the box. So, pull tabs. This is a first. I've never had a box that had this on it unless I bought from the Louis Vuitton store that was mailed to me, that if I bought it online. So this is a surprise. Never had a seller have a box that had the Louis Vuitton. So if that's important to you, you might want to check the seller out. So we open it. There's the box. Here is the box. There's the flap. So inside we have the bag. So there's the bag. You have a lot of stuff in here. You have tags, little card, little envelope. Little tag here, more little envelopes, a lot of stuff, more cards, like a lot of stuff. So that was in this one, and then there's another envelope, and this is like the receipt part of it. There's that. So you take, there's the ribbon that has Louis Vuitton. And that's it in the box. So, what did we get? Wrapped up in tissue. Here is the bag. Take the tape off. There's tape everywhere. So can you guess what I got yet by the shape of this? The dust bag feels really good. And I think the lettering looks good. There's the dust bag. So we got, oh, this is so cute. The LV Nano Speedy. So cute. So cute. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with it. It's so cute. So let's put this over here. Oh my God. Look at this. It's so cute. The canvas color looks great. It's not real warm and orange color like some of them are. So let's undo all this. There's one thing I don't care for the Nano is the strap doesn't come off. So if you just wanted to carry it like this, you have to leave the strap on. So it's one downside of the Nano. The strap looks really good, and it's leather. The stitching looks real good. The glazing is not clown red, So that looks really, really good. Let's look at the handles. The glazing looks really good. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So those are the handles. You can see the glazing. It's not bright red. It's like a maroonish. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. See the LV stamped on the buttons there. You can smell the leather on this, and this is like real leather straps. The strap looks really good. There is wrinkling in that handle right there, but I don't know, that doesn't really bother me. So inside, look at the zipper. The zipper works really good, nice and smooth. Okay. Zipper tab. Looks really good. Stuffing out. Not stuffing. Inside the bag you have this stuff, which I don't really care about, but that's what it looks like inside. There is the tag. There's the date code. Words there. It has LB. Same on the other side. This is so cute. Now, show you a size comparison.
Oh,
Madison has an iPhone
11 Pro,
and it fits no problem. Now I have an iPhone X Plus, so that might barely fit in here. You would have to angle it down first to put it in there. So let me grab a few things that I would carry and see how much thing this will hold. So this is what I carry now. This is a Tory Burch little crossbody bag. In size comparison, I would say they're about the same in length. Maybe the Tory Burch is a little bit wider, but the lengthwise I would say they're about the same. So let's see if everything in here will fit in the Nano. So first, I have my coin purse. I have a Zippo lighter. I don't smoke, I just carry one. Second, hand sanitizer, especially nowadays. My AirPods.
I got those for you.
And my Chanel wallet. Some cash. And that's everything that was in there. And I can still fit more stuff in there. So, I mean, this holds quite a bit, more than you think it would. I love it. It's so cute. So this is what it looks like with everything that I just stuck in there. I can still put like gum in there, breath mints, even sunglasses. Let me get some sunglasses. Just grabbed a random pair of sunglasses. Yep, they fit. So I'm so excited about this bag. The quality scratch test is on point. And you can already tell it has a sheen to it, which you just saw me unbox it, so I didn't put anything on it. But yeah, this is so cute. And it doesn't have that chemical smell that sometimes you get off. I just smell the leather on the straps, and then fresh out of leather. But This is so cute. I'm gonna be using this a lot this summer because I don't like carrying big purses too much, especially when you want to be hands-free. This would be a great crossbody bag. Again, so everything that is stuck in there fits. And my iPhone, I'm pretty sure my phone will fit too, but I'm filming on my phone, so I can't show you right now, but so cute. Yeah, but see, you can't take the straps off. They're just on there. So unless you wanted to just tuck it inside the purse and then carry it like that. But I think it's supposed to be worn mainly as a crossbody. But very, very cute. So follow me on Instagram. It's Miss Clipper12, so you can get all the information on this bag and who I got it from. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this bag, leave it in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. So y'all stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!